My phone.
What's up, y'all? Tavion's back with another jump.
Yo, Nate.
This jump's out like my first video though.
Nate a vlogger now, bro.
We about to hit the car meet real quick. We about to go to a car meet. Slick and Youngs, he just got back. I'm him.
Nate vlogging, bro. Tap into the vlog.
Tap into the vlog. But I'll be back. I'm about to go to the car meet real quick. It's snowing currently right now. About to go to a car meet in the snow. This jump about to be lit. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all right there. Should we hop out? Y'all chase him? Bruh. Nigga in real life just hit us, bruh. Nah, ain't nobody in the car. Ain't no, he just hit us with this jump. He real life just left his car, bruh. He not even in there. He in the middle of the road. He realized he jumped over the jump. What? The fuck? Real life just decked it in front of us. The snow with it, bro. This don't dry. It's dry chilly out here. It's cool. Somebody just decked into us, but we just came back. Don't look dry sweet. Hold his on the way. I ain't even know y'all be drag racing in this jump. Yeah. That just sound good. That's an M5. Oh shit. That shit do sound good. He like that. Oh shit. Dance cam? Everybody running? Think we should run? Hey, look at them. They dragging. Look at that car back in there. This don't. Car still look good though, y'all. Car still look jazz sweet. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
She's gonna be pissed, bro.
Yeah, Shy Boy be mad as shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Look, it's right here. You can't see it right now. It's right here. Fuck. Not gonna lie, she gotta get a new bumper.
A bumper? A whole new one?
Yeah, bro.
Why?
I'm in the car right now. Nigga just wrecked that shit.
Nigga definitely just did ducking to us. Dave was on his way, but he not even here yet. Bro, he had a jump with him. Decked it, went over the curb to the other side, hit another car. I got the video. I'm about to play it for y'all. Jump was crazy though. They ran into the car in the middle of the street, but yeah, it's cold as shit though, y'all.
And he gotta cover his license plate. He's like, what the fuck he doing? Can't swing that bitch.
this shit. But I'm gonna rely. Oh! He said, nah. Bro, this nigga gonna hit us, bro. Get the I ain't fucking with this nigga either, bro. Yo. This look like his shit about to tip over. Oh. Yeah, you need to chill, bro. Hey, that thing's swinging. That shit decent. It's a Scion. It's a Toyota. It's a Toyota. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah. These two don't even know what they doing. She trying to swing it. Swing them,